This video is made for educational purposes and contains significant original text commentary.
Oh, Jesus. Fuck. Oh, Jesus. Right.
Will Democrats ultimately support them?
What?
Really? Really?
Supported CIA
Really?
nominee John Ratcliffe. Minority Whip Dick Durbin is a yes on the nomination of Mark for Secretary of State. Democrats want to demonstrate bipartisanship, but not too much.
Between 13 to 20 years study to be a druid, you know, and they have some indication of what you'd be studying, but you know that's not fleshed out.
Whoa.
And none of the books really give you that information. A lot of it was done.
Okay. Boy, that was close. Yeah. You all right?
Oh yeah.
Okay. All right.
Oh man.
That their politics shape the whole world, but the rest of the world's really not all that concerned about who gains the throne in Tol Holneth. We're here on a matter of much greater urgency. He looked off into the darkness in the direction of Tol Barun, the main highway. That's no problem, Silk assured him. What about me? Zanedra asked. You wanted to go to the Wood of the Dryads, Aunt Paul told her. We're going in that direction anyway, so you'll stay with us. We'll see what Queen Xantha says when we get you there.
The jet fuel, it can't melt them. So people think it's a control simulation. Is that what you're talking? Like apparently there's no water because they're trying to protect the smell. Damn, dude. What? Shower. I'm deodorant. No, smell me. I'm sick. I can't even
all season, and they got holes all over the place, Smalls. You got an issue with your offensive line, you got an issue with your run game, you got an issue with your defensive front seven. Like there are a lot of problems that they got to fix, and not enough cash and draft picks to go around. And oh, by the way, one of the other things that you have to
Video locked.
the quarterback Dak Prescott having an $81 million cap hit in 2025. I said this months ago. Now, repeat it again. Cowboys are close and they are championship. All of the issues on this team can't get fixed in one off.
He refuses, David, to go to Vanderberg Hospital. Like he drove all the way.
Start event recording.
What the hell?
They're all hopeless. He refuses, David, to go to Vanderberg Hospital. Like he drove all the way.
Start event recording.
What the hell?
Did someone get hurt?
No. You're alright, aren't you?
Yeah.
You okay?
Sorry. What happened?
Yeah. Oh! Got that one.
Oh!
You guys had a layover in Las Vegas. Woo! He's off-roading. He's crashed. He's rolled the car.
Has he literally crashed?
Yeah, we just narrowly avoided getting crashed into.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, let's go see if he needs help. Are you okay?
My, oh my, oh my.
And it doesn't do anything except create distrust.
Seriously?
Wow. Oh my God, Dad.
Yeah.
What the crap? Is he for real?
I guess. I've never seen road rage like that before.
I'm a little bit
That's okay.
uncomfy.
Yeah,
That's
me
all right.
too. He's just staring us down.
Dude.
Come over, dude.
Wow.
What an idiot. What an idiot.
And that's how we started with our whole My Little Pony thing together with Fluttershy and Applejack. Or Big Mac. Jesus Christ. Nice reflexes.
No. Back up. Back up. What are you doing? Back up. Back up. Back up. Yeah, you're on camera. You're on camera. Back up. You're the one jumping the line. No, she doesn't.
That guy's... Yeah.
Use your head.
Falls under the TCJA, and that means that people who lost insurance coverage subsidies through the ACA, veterans whose copay rates went up, and students who didn't qualify for student loans will now find relief. The fires are still raging, and no one knows if a corporation with deep pockets is responsible, let alone if there'll be settlement funds to compensate the victims. However, there are signs that the fire might have started near the transmission tower in Canyon.